Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation Practice podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to talk about something that confuses a lot of travelers and English learners, tipping in the USA.
That's right. If you visit the United States, you will notice that people often leave extra money after eating at a restaurant, taking a taxi, or even getting a haircut. That extra money is called a tip.
So in this episode, we'll explain the tipping culture in the USA, show you useful English phrases, and practice daily conversations together.
And don't worry, we'll go step by step. You can listen, repeat, and practice with us. By the end of this episode, you'll feel much more confident about tipping and using English in real life.
Understanding tipping in the USA. So first, let's explain. What exactly is tipping?
A tip, sometimes called a gratuity, is money you give to someone for their service, in addition to the main cost. In the USA, tipping is not optional. It's expected.
Exactly. For example, when you eat at a restaurant, the waiter or waitress usually earns most of their money from tips. Their salary is very low, so tipping is a big part of their income.
In a restaurant in the USA, people usually tip between 15 and 20% of the total bill. Let's practice that phrase together. People usually tip between 15 and 20%.
Here are some key vocabulary words. Tip, money you give for service. Gratuity, another word for tip. Service charge, money added to the bill by the restaurant. Bill, or check, the paper that shows how much you must pay. Receipt, proof of payment.
Great. Let's move on to some real conversations. Daily conversation at a restaurant. Waiter, here's your check, sir. Customer, thank you. Excuse me, is service included? Waiter, no, it's not. In the US, we don't include service. Most people leave around 18%. Customer, okay, thank you.
This is a very common situation. Let's repeat some useful phrases. Can I get the check, please? Is service included? How much should I tip?
Let's say them together. Ready? Can I get the check, please?
Is service included?
Is service included?
Excellent practice. Now, let's talk about different situations where you might need to tip. Different situations for tipping. Taxi or Uber. Driver, that will be $25. Passenger, thanks. Do I add a tip? Driver, yes, most people leave 15 to 20%. Useful phrase, should I add a tip? Hotel,
Bellboy, usually $1 to $2 per bag. Housekeeping, $2 to $5 per night. Dialogue, guest, thank you for helping with my luggage. Bellboy, you're welcome. Guest, here's a tip for you. Barber or hair salon. Customer, how much do people usually tip for a haircut? Stylist, around 20%. Delivery service. Customer, thanks for the pizza. Here's a $5 tip. Coffee shop. Customer, do I need to leave a tip here? Barista, it's optional, but many people put $1 in the jar.
So remember, restaurants, taxis, hotels, barbers, and delivery are all common places to tip.
Common mistakes and cultural tips. Let's talk about mistakes. Mistake 1, not leaving a tip at all. In the USA, this is considered rude. Mistake 2, tipping too little, like 5%. Mistake 3, confusing service charge with a tip. Sometimes restaurants add 18% automatically for large groups.
Cultural tip. If you're not sure, just ask politely. Is the tip included?
Practice dialogue with explanations. Scenario: 2 friends, one American, Mike, and one international student, Ken, go to a restaurant. Waiter, here's your check. The total is $50. Ken, thanks. Hey, Mike, how much should I tip? Mike, in the US, we usually tip around 18 to 20%. So for $50, that's about $9 or $10. Ken, Oh, I see. Do I write it on the bill? Mike. Yes, you write the amount on the tip line and then add it to the total. Ken. Got it. Thanks for explaining.
Let's practice calculating. If the bill is $40 and you want to leave 20%, how much is the tip?
That's $8. Good job.
Role play practice for listeners. Now it's your turn. We'll say a phrase, then leave a pause for you to repeat. Can I get the check, please? Pause.
Is service included? Pause.
Here's a tip for you. Pause.
How much should I tip? Pause.
Great practice. So today we learned about tipping in the USA.
We talked about restaurants, hotels, taxis, barbers, and more.
Remember, tipping is part of American culture. Usually 15 to 20% is standard.
Keep practicing these conversations, and next time you travel to the USA, you'll know exactly what to do.
Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.